Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna see how to delete all viruses on iPhone. Firstly, clear Safari cache and history on your iPhone. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Safari. Scroll down, then tap Clear History and Website Data. Just tap Clear History and Data to confirm. This clears your browsing history, cookies and cache data, helping protect your privacy and improve speed. The second tool you need to make is to delete suspicious or unfamiliar apps. On the home screen, press and hold the app you want to remove. Tap the Remove App from the menu, then select Delete App, then delete again to confirm. Repeat for any other apps you don't recognize or didn't intentionally install. Just look out for apps that you didn't install, especially ones that ask for excessive permissions like location, camera, microphone, etc. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.